guys, mga panibagong this is a cave, temple cave yan. Perak Cave Temple. Alright, so let's go to the next bit.
So nice of you, don't you? So nice of you.
You see the water, oh,
Yeah.
be careful, slippery. Look at the big paintings there. Yeah.
Oh, can go up, look.
Huh? Oh yeah, we can go up.
Sorry.
Yeah, we can go up. There's a crowd.
The time is so high, isn't it?
Wow, let's go now. I want to go there. You just hold this one. Wow. Wait, I just want to go there. Also here have a stairs to go up there. Huh? Oh, the waters come out. Yeah. Maybe we can go upstairs there. Ooh. Look. Wow. My God. There's a hole there. Also there.
You know what it costs for what? The cave is cold right now.
Yeah.
Just all the water droplet.
This one.
Yeah, so over how many thousand years of years, water
Yeah, to
if it drop,
become firm
hard,
like that,
drop, become longer and longer. So this is like the water droplet from stalagmite.
I don't know. Maybe better to go the other side. Ilan na. Yeah, I see it. Oh, so we can walk there down below.
Oh, here can go down some more.
Yeah, yeah.
You see?
is that?
Mami.
Slowly. Yeah, don't rush. Many balls here. Wow. So amazing here. Look at the white there. Huh? Yeah. Wow, going up. Wow, this is very wonderful. Let's go. There are more. Hello. And Bernard Jesper, how are you? You're going high now. Look. So Bernard and Jesper will not gonna follow me to go upstairs there. It's because sobra na siyang ano. What is this here? Yan, sobra na siyang mataas. And not safe for them to follow me. Ayan o, sobrang wet. Wow. So we just need to be careful. So ayan, naiwan sila doon sa pinakababa. Wow, it looks so nice there. There's a pool. Wow. Big quite tired here to go up. There's more going up, more. Oh, so amazing here. Oh. Sobrang taas. And also, there's a way to go there also. Wow. Even there. But I don't know why. I feel nagugusbong ako dito. Sobra yung ano. Tumataas yung mga balahibo ko. Oh my goodness. Should I go upstairs more? But alam nyo guys, iba yung nararamdaman ko dito oh. Gosh. Nagugusbong ako up to my feet, my hand. So maybe I better go down. Alam mo laki guys, meron tumaas din dito. So ayun nga guys, I want to go upstairs more but whoa, what is that? May gumalaw dun kanina, ayan dun sa part na yun. So ayun o, ano yun? May gumagalaw sa part na yun. So ayun mga guys, bababa na ako kasi bumaba yung isa at ako ay nag-iisa na lang. So better na I'm going down also kasi pa yung pakiramdam ko dito. Mabigat talaga. Yung buong katawan ko nag-goosebump lahat. Init. Kailangan ng dahan-dahan na bumaba kasi napaka-danger Ross.
So fast.
So, may baong silang insenso. Ako hindi ako nagbawa ng gano'n. Kaya siguro ako nakaramdam ako ng sobrang pagka-goosebump doon sa taas. Sobra. Pero ngayon wala naman na. Yan. So, para siguro, hindi ko alam kung anong gamit nito. Para siguro maitabo yung mga negative. Gosh. Yan, mataas pa. Punta tayo sa pinakababa doon. Where's Bernard now? Oh, they are there. Walking around also. Medyo nakapagod talagang umakyat at saka hindi ako sanay. Ngayon lang ulit. Ito yung yoga. So relaxing. Akala ko spider. Wala na siyang mga kamay. Whoa. I feel something here also, guys. Ang lakas. Oh, why I feel something here. Oh my gosh. Oh. I feel something here. Oh my goodness. Very strong. Why? Ano guys? Naguguspam talaga ako pag nakakaramdam ako. Ito, mga black na yan. Ang lakas na ano ko dito talaga. So, kailangan ko na umalis. Sobra talaga. Hindi ko kaya yung bigat. At saka, ayun o, hindi ako nagkukunyari. Ayan. Oh my goodness, nakakatakot.